Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Crypto Cultivator. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like down on the video. It just helps with the YouTube algorithm. So today we're going to be talking about what Bitcoin is going to do after or just before the US election. Right now, it's really been just crabbing along here, similar to that period in June, July, where it crabbed along for nearly a month and a bit, really, nearly 2 months, and then had that massive breakout to around 10,000, 11,000. So I think we're going to see a similar pattern play out here, where we crab along for quite some time. It may drop a little bit lower. I don't think we're going to really go below the 9,000 mark. I think Joe Biden win's definitely been priced in already. If that were to happen, and a Trump win is probably priced in as well. So I think we're going to really crab along for quite some time here, and basically break out a lot higher. I think we could push 20,000 by the end of the year, definitely. Let's zoom out here a bit on the charts, and just remember, this was definitely the bottom here and around March. This is when everyone was selling. I don't think people, with what is going on financially and all the money that's being printed, are really going to be selling their Bitcoin. You've got to ask who's on the other side of the screen, really. And I think Bitcoin in the next 5 years is really going to push that 100,000 mark, just because it's such a valuable asset and you can't create more of it. It has a limit, unlike everything else. So I think the best thing to do is hold. Maybe set a stop loss around this mark here, so probably around here. The 9,600 mark, 9,500 mark. So if we really do start to plummet, at least you've saved some of your capital and you can buy in back down. But I don't think that changes the overall trajectory at all. Like, we've just been through a really harsh bear market. I mean, 2019 wasn't looking so bad. It was a bit of an odd pattern, but in 2019, 18, that was one of the harshest bear markets probably for really any asset class, and we've come out the other side now. So are you really going to sell your Bitcoin now, just before probably the last good bull run, the last good chance to capture some wealth? People are getting serious on this stuff. SoftBank just acquired around 20,000 Bitcoin. Now that's institutional players are getting into the game. That's going to set up like basically buy walls and stuff, and it's going to give us some flooring. We're not just going to drop so harshly like some of the other alts. And once institutions start moving into the alts, the gains are going to be truly tremendous. So I think we've just got to stick out the election. I think we're going to see a definite breakout higher before the end of the year. I don't think this is the high. I definitely think that was the bottom in March. And with everyone saying there could be a stock market crash, or everyone's predicting it, well, likely the other thing happens. So you've just got to keep that in mind too. So thanks for watching, everyone, and keep holding, and you'll be fine. Don't let your emotions get the better of you. So if you've got to the end of the video, make sure drop a like and subscribe. Cheers.